I showed up on LinkedIn this morning, and in my newsfeed was this post from Sarah Burriss, where she had a conversation with what she refers to as a hugely successful businesswoman, who, by the way, when I was looking down here, I believe that this is Lee Turner. And the conversation was, Sarah asked this question, what advice would you give students who are trying to get their career started and build a presence on LinkedIn? Now, I'm not going to read everything that Sarah posted and what she learned through that conversation with Lee, except for I'm going to share this one thing where I believe that Lee said she would say one thing that people get stuck on, and that is this: oh my God, I have to be an expert. And I get that. I remember the early days when I was on LinkedIn, especially when I was repurposing myself to be something brand new that I was not an expert at yet. And I was trying to figure out, how do I build a LinkedIn profile that says, I'm Teddy and this is the expert that I am? And it was impossible to do. And fortunately, I was paying attention to really smart people. I was following people like Seth Godin and Keith Ferrazzi, and I was reading Dale Carnegie and Ralph Waldo Emerson and all these other people that were impacting my life. I was reading Bill Burnett, and there's another really good book I was reading too. Bill Burnett, I think, is Designing Your Life. Read that book. And another book that was really, the story branding. I think it's David Miller or Daniel Miller, and I apologize if I said it wrong. I'll put the links to these books in the YouTube video description, as well as I'll put the link to Sarah's post. And my point is, I thought that because others had glorious, glamorous LinkedIn profiles, that even when I was repurposing myself, I needed the same thing. And what I discovered is that's wrong. What is right, in my opinion, that I believe is echoed from Sarah and Lee's conversation, is that's not what LinkedIn's all about. It's a place to show up and connect with the people that you already know. To get into conversations with people that you already know, to get into conversations with people you have yet to meet, who you would like to know, and to share what you have the ability to share, to engage to the level that you can engage, and start building your brand through conversation as you, what's the word that was Sarah used here, as you sponge and you get the free education, you learn from people's experiences and their insights, and you keep gathering more and more thoughts and ideas, perspectives that can help you grow. LinkedIn is not about showing up as an expert. LinkedIn's about networking. LinkedIn's about connecting with the people that you already know and getting their help to connect with the people that you want to know. Getting their help to connect with people who you can help and who can help you in the journey that you're on. Sarah, Lee, thank you for putting that conversation out there and making me think this morning. I truly enjoyed reading it, and it really resonated with me. Don't show up on LinkedIn thinking you need to be an expert. Show up on LinkedIn to learn and share and participate. That is how successful, hugely successful business people grow.